Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to find working Eneba discount code in any year, anytime. So what you want to do is just search up Eneba discount code, and what you need to do to find the working ones is this. You come here, you click on tools, okay? And you change the result from any time to at least past month, past year. So let's change this to past month. Let's see what we have here. 9 September. So it's about 14 days ago, right? And then this one is 2 days ago. So this is what you want to do. Find the latest ones, 5 days. So you open these in a new tab, and you can come to these websites, and you get these codes. So you can click here on copy, and you copy the codes. You can view the offers here. Many different websites. You get promo codes. So you can see right here, they give you a direct link as well to get the discount. You can click on those to get the coupon. There's many websites, so you just go ahead and use these websites. You get the latest ones, okay? So this one right here, you just go to the website. There's no code required for this one specifically. So that's what you do basically. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.